In light of threats of racial violence in Poland and Ukraine, Phil Jagielka stated that England will consider walking off the pitch at Euro 2012 should they encounter racial hostility. But Mario Balotelli, who has been the subject of racial abuse from Porto and Juventus fans in the past, has a somewhat clearer stance on the matter. The 21-year-old told France Football, "I will not accept racism at all. It's unacceptable. If someone throws a banana at me in the street, I will go to jail because I will kill them." The Manchester City player is in Italy's squad for Euro 2012, who are set to play their group matches in Poland. Balotelli will be hoping to get them off to a winning start against the defending champion Spain in Gdansk on June the 10th.